On this week's segment of Camp Cooking, we're gonna walk you through what we're gonna do with some beautiful duck breasts. These are mallards, Adrian?
Yeah, I got these ducks in late November of this last year. And I was kind of thinking of this exact recipe in mind when I started cleaning them because I could see that kind of beautiful skin layer.
Well, it's you know what's the most impressive thing is I think you had your lead figured out because other than one BB hole in this breast, they're all beautiful headshots.
I did my best. Yeah, exactly.
Awesome.
The fruit really complements the kind of rich waterfowl meat, and so orange and waterfowl, duck à l'orange. This is not exactly it, but we are going to use sort of a garlic orange whiskey marmalade, and we'll complement it with a bit more whiskey in the reduction, some chopped shallots, and we'll do a couple garnishes of sliced blood oranges.
Let's get into it.
Score this one up. I'm going to prep the cast iron, and we'll get these puppies seared.
Nice sharp knife is super key in doing your score.
Perfect.
I am so impressed that you detailed your
start
mallard
cleaning.
breasts like this.
You start cleaning a few birds, and 2 or 3 of them are perfect, right?
Yep.
You know, I was
2 or 3 out of a limit of 6 usually.
just saying, you don't always get your limit, you know, but a handful are often just like a big mature bird that is a migrant that's been feeding heavily, and like he's got everything you're looking for in a seared.
Beautiful. So what you're gonna do is actually cook them probably, what, 40 or 50% through, and then we're gonna finish them on that pellet grill?
I just want them to have a nice kind of crust on the outside, in a sense, and we have some nice color.
And start skin side down.
Start skin side down, and like this is almost for presentation, but we know it's sort of crispy now, and we'll throw it into in the oven and finish it off kind of when we do the reduction here.
So I am interested. So a lot of these birds don't have pellets in the breast. So I'm gotta thinking that bird was like 25 yards in front of you, just about to sit down in the decoy.
Let's just say it was textbook. Okay. I love it when a plan comes together, right?
Beautiful.
Absolutely. So. I'd say they're almost ready to be brought out onto that pellet grill. While Taylor's out there, I'm just gonna get this reduction going, and we'll throw in some diced shallots just until they're aromatic. That'll just take a second. But you wanna scrape all the little bits of, you know, the duck fat and the duck meat that fell off during the sear, and that's really where a lot of this flavor is gonna come from. And then we're gonna roll with this whiskey marmalade, a shot of whiskey. And then some chicken broth. Give that just a second to reduce. This is where the alcohol itself is reducing as it boils out. And now the fruit and the sugar component that really complements any waterfowl. This is a garlic and orange marmalade. So let's throw some of that in. And the last ingredient is a whole pile of butter. Now that'll just take a few minutes to cook down. I figure Taylor needs about 10 more minutes with the duck, so that's fine, because once I reduce the heat, it will start to thicken, and we'll get that reduction sauce that we're looking for.
Well, Adrian, the bird has made its final migration.
There we go, that looks lovely.
From grill to actually table right here.
Awesome. I'm just gonna lay out this reduction.
That.
And all the shallots, and there we go, let's get some of that on there.
Look at that.
That does look nice. A few orange slices.
Slice one here. Should I grab us a few samplers?
I think so. You know what? Here, grab this fork, Taylor, and you gotta try it in this sweet reduction here. That's gonna be lovely.
Mallard breast in a fruit reduction. Another camp cooking segment. Wow.
That is good, isn't it? And that really didn't take long to prepare at all. Well,
Beautiful.
absolutely. I'm loving it. The whiskey, the orange, the garlic jelly.
That is fantastic.